So this is very important. The first thing you need to decide is how you want to design your policy domain tree. So what I recommend here is, as this one yesterday we discussed with team, the technical team here. I have also the documentations that sent some time ago. Later, after this meeting, team can send you the email as well regarding the settings and also some common setting on the policy manager. So the first thing to see is this root policy domain. Do not edit it. When you have a company, for example, company A, always create the policy domain under it. So, for example, it can be let's say whole. Okay, then maybe another one. Just for example. Then maybe this company A is belongs to Ho Chi Minh. So, and maybe under Ho Chi Minh there's another company. And you have a lot of company listing down here. So it depends on how you want to design. You can create a lot of, as many elements as you want. So as you can see here, the example, the company A, they might have different departments, HR, IT, finance, whatever. So you can create under it. If you want to specify the special setting, special configuration for HR, for example. Or if you want to split as PC or server, it's up to you. So in this case, probably you want to split by department, so this one you can delete. Example. This is just the example I created yesterday. So don't delete the policy domain tree whenever there's a PC under it. For example, there's a host under it, do not delete. So you can always cut and paste the host wherever you want. Of course, according to the company and also the department. So you have to careful about this one. So as you can see here, maybe under HR, you create one policy is PC. Then probably under HR is team A, team B, for example. It's up to you how you actually create it. And this is the host that we used yesterday for demo. Okay, so back to here, the summary. Well, as you can see here, you can see all the summary information. So you can see all the information here. It's quite hard to adjust the screen. You maximum distance under the screen. Yeah. Very hard to. Very hard. Okay, great. So if you, for example, company A, let's put company A. So as you can see here, there's one host. You can check how many hosts under this summary tab. domain, one host only, and also all the information is here. After that, for company A, if you want to define the setting for it, setting, automatic update. So for company A, you are defining the setting for company A for automatic update. So this, I recommend you to lock it. Lock it, which means you do not allow user